Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook pininyahang manok. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. I use chicken leg and I marinated with the pineapple juice and soy sauce. We need black pepper, salt, soy sauce, pineapple juice, and then pineapple chunks, carrots, potatoes, bell pepper, and then onions and then garlic. Okay, to start, I'm gonna saute the garlic. And then saute the onions. Have fresh milk. I'm gonna get it later when it's time for the milk because it's good. It's refrigerated before we use it. Okay. And then we're gonna add the pineapple juice and this one also. And then we're gonna add soy sauce, black pepper, and then as well we're gonna add the carrots and potatoes. Okay, and then we'll cover first. I'm gonna get the cover. Okay, okay guys, we're gonna add chicken cubes. If we have chicken broth, we can use also, but I do not have chicken broth, so I just use chicken cubes with water. Okay, this is the water, guys. Okay, and we're gonna add a pineapple chunk also. Okay, and I left also one for the garnishing. Okay, so we're gonna cover first again, and then we'll be right back. Okay, guys, and now it's time to add milk. And this one, the bell pepper. And then we're gonna add milk. Okay, just a cup. Okay, look at that one. And then we're gonna simmer. We'll be right back in a few. Pininyahang manok. Okay, it's very yummy. And then I'm going to put the other half of the pineapple. Okay, guys. That's our Pininyahang manok, guys. It's very yummy. Okay, I'm gonna taste, guys. Mapa-only rice ka. Okay? Okay, guys. This is it. Kung yang more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Broja, to my Instagram, the_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts also, guys, follow me. And then, to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and unsupporters, thank you for watching.